Look, Evan, I already extracted the log of the app of the day of the accident of that drone. Of that drone. This drone crashed the day 6th of March. This drone crashed. So I already extracted the app log. So now I'm gonna show you the logs of this drone. Look, avionics, other, and look all the logs of this drone. The first one, it's from today. It's the only log from today. All the other logs are from the day of the accident. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna select them. All the logs, all, because all from the day of the accident. And look, only this one doesn't have any, but I'm gonna select this, and only the this one is from the day 4th of March. So I selected 23 logs. So I need help with this, Evan, because this drone got crashed. So I hope we can find the accident log here.